Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting Wallpaper Engine from Steam and launching it immediately. This is where you start shaping your desktop. Once installed, make sure your GPU drivers are updated and restart if needed, because performance hinges on current drivers. When you open the app, allow Steam sign-in and basic permissions. This lets the app access the workshop and animations. Next, browse the featured or installed tabs and pick a wallpaper to preview so you can move straight to configuration. Once you choose a wallpaper, click Properties and tweak the core settings: resolution, playback speed, audio levels, and FPS. You should set quality per monitor, especially on multi-screen setups, to balance visuals and performance. If you're on a laptop, enable performance mode to cap resources. Make sure to specify when the wallpaper pauses on full-screen apps. Then explore interactive options like cursor effects and app triggers, because these give you control over when elements animate and how they respond to input. After fine-tuning, apply the wallpaper and save your settings as a profile so you can recall layouts quickly. Make sure Run at Windows Startup is set if you want wallpapers active on boot. You can export profiles to transfer settings between machines or keep backups. If something goes wrong, there's one key tip: lower the FPS and quality or enable performance mode. This fixes most stuttering and GPU load issues. Finally, restart Wallpaper Engine to confirm changes and watch the desktop settle into place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.